You don't know the name?
I forgot. Ano yun?
I forgot too. We're so old, we don't remember the
Ano yung ibon na yun? Oh!
Pinocchio.
No!
Oh my gosh!
Ikaw nakakalam.
Yeah, why?
Because you are a bird person.
Oh, yeah? Na.
Baka may iba-ibang kulay. Okay, it's so cold. What is that name? Come on. What is that name?
Oh, the peacock! See? I told you! It's like Pinocchio, peacock.
Ang layo naman ito eh.
Hey, it's on the P.
Oh, God. Pinocchio is a liar. Peacock is a bird.
Sorry po. That was good. Wait, at least I got the P. You didn't have